So you've done the self-help and you've dipped into some personal development, but now you ask the question, now what? What can you do? Well, if you want to escape the apathy, step right this way. So twice a year, I teach a course called Autonomy. It's a 12-week personal development and training course. What people get out of it is multifaceted. There's curriculum, there's exercises, there's camaraderie, you make new friends. There's a whole lot of interesting things. We're going to hear a sample from the course right now, and let's take a look at the value these students are getting.
Daniel, thanks for unmuting.
Oh, there's Daniel. There you go.
So I can definitely speak to the community aspect, because where I've been coming from, like I believe you both have mentioned who've been speaking, I'm coming from knowing Richard's work and being aware of what's really going on around us. And that can kind of put a real bummer barrier if you don't have friends to socialize on that level. And so for me, like one of the biggest things was within the first 3 weeks of the course starting off and doing that first exercise of, I don't think I even did 10. I think I did 6 because I work a really busy shift and I only could fit in like 6 in a week, which was a lot. But those things have carried on for me. And not only did it lead to, I consider friendships that people I just speak with on Zoom once a week, every 2 weeks, or at meetings we're collaborating on projects. I even got commission work, which is something would have never happened if I didn't just stick my foot out there and make myself available to meet with people. And even now there's people I've met in those calls that now I'm messaging with during the week on my phone, and it's just friendships. And that kind of support, it doesn't have a price on it because it's a quality of life issue for me. And it's inspired me this past 8 months to create media and things that I would have never even made, would have never had the opportunity to make and then present to other people just to pollinate ideas. And for me, that's very rewarding to share in the community, to receive from the community. It's unmatched, and autonomy is where it's going on.
Well, you were already an entrepreneur. You had your own business. You got your own marketing. You got good products and customer service, right? And then I found out you could edit video too. I was like, well, we need people to edit video, and now you get paid to do stuff sometimes too, right?
That's right.
Yeah. So he's not like a full-timer at Autonomy Unlimited, but he does work with the media team, and there's a lot of content. We do a lot of content here, a lot of producing. So thank you, Daniel, for stepping up and helping out with those.
Everyone's doing some kind of self-help these days, and you can find a million self-help courses out there. Most other courses out there are hosting lectures. They're hosting videos. They're maybe even doing Q&As. And these are great starting points to encourage learning. But at Autonomy, we believe that hands-on practice is the best way to really lock in what we're learning. There's no better way to gain confidence and mastery than through action. After each lecture, we practice the concepts we've learned with other students, giving and receiving feedback in a non-judgmental environment. The result is mastery of concepts like entrepreneurship, ethical sales, and self-reliance in an environment that directly translates to the real world. Plus, you make connections with other like-minded individuals who are learning right alongside you, and you have a lifetime membership in the community. The Autonomy course with Richard Grove equips you with confidence, competence, and courage in a world filled with confusion and noise. You can learn more at getautonomy.info. We'll see you there.